This is the lettuce I grew at home. Normally, you don't need to spend money to buy it, because of the blessing of vegetable growing tools. Lifted a lot of burden. So here's how I make the tool. Weld the base first. Then take out the drink bottle at home. He is the key to planting. It's sort of a waste product. Cut it in two with scissors. Be careful not to cut at the end. Then fill the drainage ventilation hole. Then install them on welded brackets. Find a rag. Cut into thin strips and put them in a bottle. It is very useful when watering. So we're done with our vegetable growing tools. Add loose and breathable planting soil to it. Then the seedlings cultivated in advance are transplanted into it. Put one in each bottle. Pour fixed root water. After 25 days, it is basically formed. It will be harvested in another 5 days. It takes up no space. Can be operated even at home. And once and for all, we can plant them next year. Did your friends enjoy today's sharing? Don't forget to like, follow, and forward. See you next time.